According to information provided by Russian news source RBC, the cost of the Russian LMS-901 Baikal aircraft, developed as a replacement for the Soviet-era AN-2 Kukuruznik, has significantly increased. The aircraft has 9 seats, a cruising speed of up to 300 kilometers per hour, and a maximum flight range of 3,000 kilometers, with a payload of 2 tons and 1,500 kilometers. In 2025, when deliveries of this aircraft are expected to begin, its price will reach about $4.99 million USD. This is more than 3.5 times the base cost set by the Russian Ministry of Industry and Trade, Minpромторг, in October 2019. At that time, according to the terms of the competition, the price of the Baikal was not supposed to exceed about 1.32 million USD. The sharp increase in cost has sparked discussions within the industry, with many experts highlighting the significant price hike. A representative of the Ural Civil Aviation plant, UZG, which is responsible for manufacturing the aircraft, commented on the situation, stating that price escalation is a global practice in the aviation industry that all players follow without exception. He noted that developers are facing objective macroeconomic conditions, such as the disproportionate rise in prices for components and materials. Considering the aircraft's functionality, its closest foreign counterparts are much cheaper. For example, the American Cessna 208B Grand Caravan costs around 3.23 million USD. Currently, the Baikal aircraft is equipped with a certified turboprop engine, TVD VK-800SM from GE Aviation, USA, which is mass-produced at the former Czech enterprise Walter Aircraft Engines. This Czech enterprise was acquired by the Americans in 2008. The American engine is an improved version of the Czech Walter M601 engine, modified by the Americans. However, deliveries of the U.S. engines with a power output of 800 horsepower to Russia were suspended in 2022 due to sanctions. The domestic TVD VK-800SM for the Baikal aircraft is planned to be certified by the end of 2024. The first flight of the Baikal with the Russian engine is scheduled for the third quarter of 2024. According to official information, mass production of these engines at the UZG will be launched in 2025. The plans indicate the production of 25 Baikal aircraft and 30 Russian engines annually, starting in 2026. However, it is also possible that the certification of the domestic may be delayed. It is worth noting that the engine has been in development for about 20 years. It is expected that in the future, customers will be able to choose between 2 engine options, the Russian one or the American Czech one. Of course, all wars eventually end in peace, but whether the numerous sanctions imposed by the Western coalition will be lifted in the foreseeable future remains uncertain. Analyzing the available information, it can be concluded that the Baikal aircraft is initially planned to be certified with the U.S. engine with an overhaul interval of 4,000 hours, and later, as it becomes ready, with the domestic engine. However, according to unofficial information, the overhaul interval is expected to be a 3-digit number, which may prove costly. By the time of certification, the price of one Baikal aircraft with all the necessary options for the Far Eastern airline Aurora, the launch customer, could be the new estimated price. In the end, the Baikal aircraft may prove to be too expensive for many customers due to its high cost. Additionally, the costly Baikal might be unsuitable for passenger transportation in the Far East due to local specifics and regulations for single-engine aircraft. Therefore, it was decided to test the aircraft during trial operation in 2025-2026. According to plans, the UZG should produce 139 regional aircraft LMS-901 Baikal by 2030. Now, do you think Russia will be able to manage the cost of the aircraft? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.